Calculate the heat of formation of acetic acid from the following data. So they given three reactions: acetic acid combustion and its delta H value they provided, and carbon dioxide formation they given, as well as water formation. By using this data, I need to find out formation of acetic acid. So you can see here, acetic acid means CH3COOH. So we have to get how many carbons is there here? We may can count two carbons. Okay, plus how many hydrogens? Four hydrogens. We can write 2H2 gas, plus how many oxygens? Two oxygen O2 gas. This is the from standard state elements. If I am going to be combine these three components, I will get this the equation. But we have to get from by using this basic data. Got it? So how many CO2s is there here reactions? They given one CO2 value this is. But in the final reaction they given two CO2. So by multiplying equation 2, can I get 2 CO2? By multiplying equation 2, I can get 2
Yes.
CO2. When we are multiplying equation 2, delta H value also you have to multiply. Got it? Next, how many H2O they
Yes.
given here? 2 H2O. So I have to multiply equation 2 also into 2. After multiplying, I am going to do this one. First equation A, which is equation 1 is there. I am reversing that equation. Or equation A, I am going to be reverse. See what I am going to do here. Very simple. Equation 1 we are reversing, means I can write here COOH, acetic acid, CH3COH, no? Reversing means plus some 2O2 will be there. Then this is the given 2CO2 plus 2H2O. This is the given reversing equation. First equation we are reversing equation 1 because I need acetic acid product direction. Acetic acid is product direction we required. So that is the reason I am reversing first equation. Got it? So when we are reversing, delta H sign will be reverse, that's also going to be reverse. I can use here plus 200 kilocalorie. Got it? And second equation as it is I am keeping. This is equation A. We are reversing that one minus A. Remaining B into 2 have to do, C also into 2. We done that is. What is the B equation? 2 carbons plus 2O2 gives rise 2 CO2 gas. This you got it? And we are multiplied that value. How much we are getting by multiplying? CO2 value, how much they provided? Minus 94, no? Minus 94,
Yes.
nothing but if you are multiplying into 2 means minus 188. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then we are multiplying C also into 2 means 2H2 plus 2O2 gas gives rise to H2O. Is it correct?
Okay.
What is the value we are getting into 2? Minus 136 will get, na?
Yes, sir.
So above values they mentioned everything. Just you can check it. Here values all they provided. We are multiplying into 2 both. Now add these two equations. Means all these three you can add. What will get? By adding these equations, what will get? Our requirement is filling or not, you can check it. Our requirement is this above equation. We have to prepare acetic acid from standard state elements. So opposite you can cancel each other. Here 2CO2, 2CO2 I am going to be cancelled. and here 2H2O, 2H2 I am going to be cancelled. Here 2O2 and 2O2 I am going to be cancelled. Then finally I got it here 2 carbons of C solid plus 2H2 gas plus how many here? I think so. This is 1O2 only, no? Not 2 because of O2 that is. O2 gives rise CH3COOH liquid we are getting. Got it? All are
Yes, sir.
cancelled. Now we are adding delta H values also we need to add. So that's the delta H formation of H naught nothing but plus 200 and minus 188 minus 136. What will get finally here values? Can you check it?
Okay.
I think so minus 124.
I guess so, yes.
124 what is the units they given? Kilocalorie, na? Kilocalorie. So this is your final answer formation of acetic acid. What they done first you can check it here. They will provide data. By using data, whatever their expecting equation we have to calculate. So first we have to note down from standard state elements how to get equation. According to that, which is the left side, which is the right side, we have to decide that one. If you are reversing equation means that will get delta H value is positive. And if you want to multiply anything means equation you have to multiply delta H also. That's the basic point we have to remember. Then I done here very simple. I need this the acetic acid formation. That's why 2 carbons plus 2H2 plus O2 I got acetic acid. Same equation I am getting by using these three equations. For that process, you can multiply, subtract, add, whatever you want you can do. But ultimately you have to get your basic equation. Got it?
Yes, sir.